What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back and check it out. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps out the channel. Today we're going to do a whole chicken. We're going to do it spatchcock with Killer Hogs the barbecue rub. And we're going to do it on the Pit Boss vertical smoker. And we've got a mixture of charcoal and competition blend pellets. And we sifted those a while back. I made a video about it, so go check that out. But so kind of go through the spatchcock process and then get it seasoned up. We're going to smoke it at 225. Stay tuned. All right, so we got the whole chicken here, and we want to do it spatchcock. So what we're going to basically do is cut out the backbone. Just get some good kitchen shears, poultry shears, and go down the side of that backbone. And then you can just get rid of that, or you can use it for soup, some people do. And then you can trim up some of this. Got some extra skin there. Do any kind of trimming in here you want to. Alright, and you can tuck its wings however you want to, but you want to put it on something flat, kind of press down, break that breastplate, that way it lays completely flat. And the reason you do this is so it cooks even all the way through. So you can get under the skin and put seasoning if you would like. I'm just going to put it on top of the skin today. And so I'm going to add that now, and we'll be ready to put it in the smoker. Well, I'm going to let it set. I'm going to put the seasoning on and let it set 30-45 minutes. Get the smoker going, the Pit Boss vertical smoker going, and then we'll be ready to put it on at 225. So let me season it up right quick. Today I'm using Killer Hogs the barbecue rub. I'm going to put some on the bottom. Touch this back up a little bit. Alright, and there it is. I'm going to let it set for a little bit like I said, and then we're ready to put it in the smoker. Alright, here's the chicken. It's been set up for about 45 minutes. The smoker's up to temp. Let's go ahead and pop it in. As always, we're going to go about the middle rack where the door latch is. Alright, so we got in the smoker. It's at 225, about where the latch is, the door latch. Running at two water pan, charcoal, competition blend pellets. We're gonna let it cook for maybe an hour, hour and a half. Then I'm gonna start checking temps. We're gonna go to 165. No need to spritz or anything. No wrapping. Just gonna run it on through, and then pull it out. Let it cool off a little bit, and then we'll give it a try. Okay, so I lied. We're gonna put it in a steam pan with a half a stick of butter, And we'll cover it. When finished on that, we're about 150. Put it back in the smoker and come back and check it in about 30 minutes. All right, so we got it pulled out. We got about temper 165 all the way around. There's a good look at it. Let it cool off a little bit and we'll give it a try. All right, let's cut it up here a little bit and see what we got. Plenty of juice. All right, let's give one of these legs a try here. That's good. That's the first time I've used the How to Barbecue Right Killer Hogs barbecue rub on meat. I done a cream cheese video and I used it on that, but this is the first time I've used it on actual meat. It's good. I like it. I like the color, I like the flavor. Of course, he knows a little bit about barbecue, so that's hard to beat though. But hey, thanks for joining me and cooking today. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment if you don't like. If you like something, you do something different, or you don't like the way I done something, go ahead, let me know. And but appreciate for watching. We'll check you on the next one, and y'all take it easy.